Hey, this is Homework Help, and we are doing week 9, day 2, so let's get started. First, the problem says, Emma made 80% of her free throws. If she made 12 free throws, how many did she attempt? So this is going to be a good one for the percent proportion. Remember, that is percent over 100 equals part over whole. So, starting off, my percent is 80%. So that's 80 over 100. Now when I'm reading, I have to decide if this 12 is the part or whole. So here's how I'm going to think about it. It says if she made 12 free throws, how many did she attempt? She only made part of her free throws. So the 12 is going to be the part. And the question says, how many did she attempt? That's what we don't know. That's going to be the whole. So now I just have to solve this one. Now, first thing I know is 80 divided by something is 12. 12 doesn't go into 80, so I'm going to try reducing this. Remember, if you don't like the numbers I give you, try reducing it. So I'm going to reduce 8 out of 100, or 80 out of 100, and that actually reduces to 4/5. So I'm going to rewrite that as 4/5. Now that I reduced 80 out of 100, check out how nice this is going to be. 4 times 3 is 12. 5 times 3 is 15. So how many did she attempt? She attempted 15 free throws. So remember, if you don't like the numbers I give you, reduce to try to get other ones. Now in this next one, it says, what is 4 8/10% written as a decimal and as a fraction? So I'm going to start out with 4 8/10%. And remember, since that's a percent, I'm changing it to a decimal by moving that decimal point twice to the left. So I'm going to add a 0 twice to the left. X marks the spot. My decimal should be 0.048. All right, but now for the fraction. Remember, I'm going to take this fraction and I'm going to change it to this decimal, change it to a fraction. I'm going to say it, write it, reduce it. So when I say it, it's 48 thousandths. And then all I have to do is reduce that. So it reduces down to 6, let me turn to yellow, 6 over 125. Remember, you can use your calculator to reduce that. So there's my decimal, there's my fraction. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, make sure you ask me in class. Thanks.